Hey you guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning. Weigh-in Saturday. Sorry if you hear noise. Indy's eating her puppy breakfast, so we have to respect her and let her eat it. I just woke up and I'm feeling great. It's Saturday, it's Halloween. Love Halloween, you guys. It's Saturday too. Like, what are the odds that Halloween's finally on a Saturday and COVID's a thing? Any Hoosier. I am making some coffee this morning. I slept in. I wanted to show you guys real quickly my new coffee bar. So I finally hung up my cute little coffee sign. This is my Ninja coffee bar. I've had this for a while, but I got this guy at Target. So I was keeping my coffee in like the normal bag it comes in, and it was just so annoying, not very like user friendly, blah bitty blah. So this is so nice. It was only $16.99. It's the Magnolia. I'll try to link it down below if you guys want to get it. This was from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. They have them. Little like play set. I don't know. I just thought it looked kind of pretty with it. And yeah. Now I just need a place for my mugs because this is just a horrendous mess. I got some new slippers. These are from Target. They're so nice, you guys. This is the brand. They're memory foam. I got size XL. Could have went with a smaller size, but they only had XL or small, so I wanted them so bad. They were only 20 bucks. I also got these moccasins. I've been wanting these so bad, you guys. These were 20 bucks too. Super inexpensive, size 10. Just so nice. I've been really like grooving on slippers and all the things above, so these are super nice. Just like an earrings in, I figure. I don't know. And then I picked this up. I will try this on for you guys. It's a double XL. I had one of my friends from Instagram message me and asked to try it on, let them know how the sizing is, if like for what they can order. $17.99. Super good dealios. I got a few other things too, but can't really remember. I know I did a Instagram haul, so if you're on my Instagram, you might have seen it. Otherwise, if you're not following me on there, you might want to, because I do post quite a bit more on there, and it's in real time mostly. So the struggle every day is always deciding what mug. So I think I'm just gonna go with my pumpkin one because it's Halloween. This one says Hello Pumpkin, and we're not gonna be able to do pumpkin things for very much longer because you wanna know why? I've come to the conclusion I'm going to be decorating for Christmas earlier this year than normal, just because your girl loves Christmas, and I already started buying stuff for Christmas. I'll probably do a Christmas haul, so stay tuned for that, you guys. I'd like to update you a little bit more. I'm finally trained in for my job, so now I start my normal hours by myself. So nice, so exciting. I literally cannot wait, you guys. So nice. All right, so I'm going to make some coffee. I always accidentally leave this in, whatever. I just throw this away. These are the filters that I use. They're really nice. They're just from Walmart. Super inexpensive. Just in case you wanted to know. I don't know. Turn my coffee on. Come over here. To be honest with you guys, I always use this. And the only thing that I complain about this is this thing does not like to stay. It's so annoying. But it's fine. So yeah, I just do 2 scoops. Put her back at her house, and then I check and make sure my coffee levels are okay, and I just make a classic cup. Super easy, so good, you guys. I'm like a coffee fiend. I cannot not have coffee. So there's my Hello Pumpkin. I'm gonna try this shirt on for you guys right now. Let's go to the bathroom. I love Target, you guys. I was in there for like an hour. I had to, like, it was just, whoo, hi. Well, apparently I need to go tanning. Let's see if this works. I got some eyelashes for tonight. Me and my mom are gonna be devils. You know, because we're such angels, we have to pretend that we're not. Anyways, I'm gonna try this on super quick. So 1, 2, 3, I'll show ya. Little Jax. You can't be up here. I'm trying to show my friends on YouTube how this shoe fits. Here, you can go down. You can come back later. Alright, you guys, so, oh, this tag. I'm just going to take the tag off because I know I want to keep it. So here she is. It's kind of hard to tell because I'm in shorts, so I can't really tell like how it would look with jeans or whatever. But this is a double XL. I'm normally an XL, and it fits really good. I would probably recommend sizing up in this just to have it be overflow like this. Because if you're like me, I don't like to have things like this be super, super tight. There are certain things that I do like to have, you know, fit snugger, but sweatshirts are not that for me. So yeah, this would be so cute with like a pair of leggings, or you know, so yeah, it fits super nice. Normally like an XL, double XL, depending on Target. You know, this brand specifically is what does it say? I don't know, but here's the tag. They're $17.99. I'd highly recommend it. They also had one, you guys. It was a Mickey Mouse one. I might get it next time I'm there if they still have it, but they only had a size XL, and I like my sweatshirts in double XL because I just don't like things tight. It just, like I said, it depends on what I'm doing, where I'm going, if I want it to be a little snugger, if I want to look a little leaner, or if I don't care. Whoops, that probably was out of... But what I'm trying to get at is I don't want it to be super, super snug. So I would definitely size up or stay true to size, but then it'll be a little bit more snug. So your true size would work, but I would definitely recommend sizing up. And yeah, it sounds like my coffee is done. So I'm going to switch back into my comfy Nike hoodie and get ready for the day. This is so cute, guys. I wanted to show you this. It's called, it's a little this and that box. It's full of junk. This drives me nuts. Like, there's nothing more that drives me insane than having clutter on counters. And so that's why I was doing my coffee bar, because it was driving me loco, honestly. This is from Target, though. I love this thing. It's so nice. It has, like, different compartments for toothpaste, my skincare. This needs to all be cleaned and organized, too, but... and our Q-tips are usually in here, my Scentsy, and yeah, then this my mom got for me. It's so cute. I just love it. I finally decorated this wall, and then my toilet's decorated, but like, I don't know, just figured I'd give you a bathroom tour. This right here, I know it's upside down for you guys, but like totally gives me vibes of like 2010, like, you know, we'd all want cameras and we'd all have to like whatever. Me and my best friend at the time, me and my sister, I call her, but she's like my best friend. We had our own cameras and we always would post selfies like that. I highly recommend this. I wanted to show you guys. This is our office. So in here I put these. This is Jason's office, but I found these little homes. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. $5. These two are $5 each. $5 for the two. And then this little dude was $3 at the $3 and $5 spot at Target. This is so good, you guys. It's delish. It tastes like a cheeseburger. I'm actually going to add a little bit of sugar-free, or sorry, no sugar added ketchup to the side. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. That was only 4 points for one little slice, so perfect dinner. It did come out to make 8 slices, so 8 slices, so I made it 8 servings, which one piece is actually quite large, so I'm probably gonna have 2 for 8 points. So worth it, so delicious. I will link the recipe that I use down below so you can get measurements and everything that you'll need. And like I said, I'm gonna add some ketchup. Definitely does not need ketchup. It looks like it might be dry, but it's not. The recipe calls to cook it for 25 minutes, but I just did it for 15 because my oven cooks really hot, you guys. So play around with it, try 15 minutes and then go from there. If it's not done, poke it with a toothpick like I did and see if anything comes off, or it just looks like that. So, and the recipe also calls for 1 cup of cheese, but I just used half a cup of cheese. So anything you would like to mix, anything you would like to add, take away, go ahead. It's so good, you guys.